On this episode of the Cruise News Live Quick Takes, we talk about a cruise ship that was hit by a cargo ship. Hey, I'm your host Tyler. Thank you so much for joining us for the Cruise News Live Quick Takes. We have a story today about a Royal Caribbean cruise ship that was hit in the Bahamas by a cargo ship. Now in this episode, we're going to break down what we know about this grounding, what tugboats are on the scene, and we're also going to be showing you what is happening with the ship and more. But before I get into it, if you are new to the channel, take a minute to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell so you'll be alerted about new videos when they come out. So without further ado, let's go hop over to marine traffic. So alright, we are now in marinetraffic.com, one of the leading AIS services online where you can track ships. So we have the Mariner of the Seas here, and as you can see, it is scheduled to go to Coco Key tomorrow, but is docked in Freeport in the Bahamas. Right there in Grand Bahama Island. So now we're going to zoom in, and as you can see here, there is a port tug on screen, the Switzer Honesty. She is there docked to the next to the Tropic Freedom. Now, as you can see here, Mariner is docked with her bow facing towards the entrance of the channel, and then her, Mariner is aft is out facing towards the dry dock area in Grand Bahama Island. If you've ever been to Freeport, you know what I'm talking about. But as you can see here, these two ships on the AIS are very close. And again, the AIS is always a little bit off. So these two ships you can see, are really wedged in between each other. So we are here on cruisecritic.com, and according to Matt Norris 75, he says, I'm currently on board Mariner in an aft-facing cabin. Our itinerary changed from a sea day to having today in Grand Bahama Island for maintenance. We are alongside the main dock. Just watched a smaller cargo ship, Tropic Freedom, come alongside the edge of the wharf at a good speed, hit the concrete edge of the wharf, and then crash straight into our stern. And now it is lodged into the Mariner of the Seas. From deck 7, I can see a hole in the railing of deck 5 where the bridge wing of the other ship has cut into us. It made a mighty noise and a big shudder. Not sure how much damage is below deck number 5. Captain has announced that all is okay and will give us updates. At this stage, the other ship is still stuck in us with a tugboat keeping it in place. Pilot's boat around with lots of other activities, and according to Matt, he will update us on this Cruise Critic thread. I'm going to link the thread down in the description box below if you want to keep up to date with the story there. And then an interesting post also on Facebook today, another photo from higher up on the ship. As you can see, a little bit better photo of the damage, of course. Great photos by Matt and this person over there on Facebook. So yeah, there you go. It's such a crazy time right now in the cruise industry. Of course, we had the Norwegian Escape story where it got grounded. Now we have this Mariner of the Seas story. It's a crazy few weeks in the cruise industry right now. And again, if you're new to the channel, we cover these types of stories on a weekly basis. Our goal of this channel is to raise public awareness of the cruise industry activities. Till next time, though, this is Tyler, signing off.